Yes, hello and welcome back on the channel. So today we're back with a new video, and in today's video we're gonna share with you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers and all subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. And on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection and extra protection when you are online. So the app is on Google Play Store. Head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. In the search bar, you search for Alpha Tunnel, and among the presented, you pick this one, Alpha Tunnel VPN. So make sure to take note of the app name, app icon, and make sure to install the right app. So after installing this app, please make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. Also make sure to read your country local laws regarding the VPN usage and make sure to adhere with them. Please also read your internet service provider terms and conditions regarding VPN usage in your country and make sure to follow them. After doing that, make sure to open the app and you do some settings for it to work, and it will land on its home screen where the setup begins. So when you reach in the app home screen, simply tap on this auto label, and from here you tap on this, like this button right here. This is the update button, and when you tap on it, the app will refresh its servers, and after refreshing its servers, you'll be able to pick any server, any available server from your desired location. For example, we have Germany, United Kingdom, and many more. And also please make sure to pick a server which supports UDP in case UDP is working in your country. And if UDP is working in your country, just pick any random server, or you can pick auto server. So let's pick auto. This is because this app will automatically pick the best performing server in your desired location. And after that, you'll be required to tap on this start button in order to secure your connection. When you tap on the start button, you wait a few seconds for the app to connect, and you'll see that it is connected. It will change the status to connected. And the other last setting is you're required to add time by tapping on this add time button. And when you tap on add time, the app will increase on the connection time, and you'll be able to secure your connection for a long session. So after tapping on the start button and the connection is successful, and that's how we set up Alpha Tunnel VPN with UDP settings to get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.